How to fix Instagram 3-line option not showing. This menu is essential for accessing settings, save post and other key features. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution and today I'll walk you through the process of how to fix Instagram 3-line option not showing. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, let's check for the update. Initially open the Google Play Store and search for the Instagram from the search bar and tap on the Instagram from the search result. Tap Update if available. If the issue persists, try reinstalling the app. Reinstalling removes the corrupted files. Here, tap the uninstall and wait for the process to complete and install the Instagram again. Check if the menu is restored. If the menu is still missing, clearing the cache and data may help. Open the settings on your device. Scroll and select the apps option. Then click on the Manage Apps to see the available apps on your phone. Furthermore, find and tap on the Instagram. Hit the Clear Data from the bottom right and confirm your action to delete the temporary files. That's it, your Instagram 3-line option should be back with this trick. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.